YouTube, you already know what it is. Your boy TC the Barber. Started with the Walls Magic Clip with the lever all the way closed. We're gonna set this guideline in around the entire head. Alright, now hopping into our next step with the lever all the way open. I'm gonna set in my second guideline, going up about a ½ inch. And as we get closer to the back, I want to stretch that blend, so we're gonna go up about a ½ inch to an inch in the back, just to stretch the blend. Yeah. Hope y'all digging my tunes. So as you can see, we're gonna go ahead and knock that first guideline out by opening the lever halfway, and we're just gonna flick at that line until we knock it all the way out. So coming around the back, we're just going to use the same technique as we did on the right side around the entire head. And as you can see me chiseling away at that line until I get the line all the way knocked out. Alright, now with the one guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to knock down some of this bulk. So as you can see, I'm going all the way up and flicking out right off the private ridge of the head, and then I'm going to come back with the half guard to knock out that second guideline. Now that we're done knocking down the sides and the back, with the half guard with the lever all the way closed, we're going to start working that line out. Now I'm going to open the lever up halfway, and I'm going to continue to work the fade until I get this area nice and smooth. Now I started to debulk with a one guard with the lever all the way closed around the sides and the back. Now me adjusting the lever halfway with the half guard on there should meet right with that one to bring the blend together. Alright, as you can see, jumping around to the back side of the head, I just hit that reset button. So we just doing everything all over again, starting out with the lever closed. Then we're going to open the lever up halfway as we work our way up to meet right with that one guard. And it just works together. It just goes together, you know, working this blend out. and you know, working that wrist and bringing this fade together, getting this surface nice and smooth. And jumping over to the left side, we just gonna speed this thing up because we just repeating the same steps, just reset. Alright, now coming up with the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and finish debulking, and then we can come back with clippers over comb. Alright, now coming in with the comb, as you can see, I'm following the shape of the head, scooping into the hair. And I'm only cutting the hair that I see through the comb. I mean, just the way I'm sliding the clippers across the comb is like spreading butter on toast. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I guess I didn't need to put that in there, but I mean, just watching it, it's just like, let's just continue. Alright, right here, just using my water bottle to wet the hair, to comb the hair over so I can finish working my magic. You hear me? Alright, as I finish wetting the hair up, I'm going to be taking about a 1/2 inch off top. Now that I got his hair the desired length that he likes, I'm gonna go ahead and style it over to his right. for the most important part. This is like a period at the end of the sentence, is the edge up. So as you can see, I'm just following the natural line that's already there, just making it sharper. Alright, so coming to the front hairline, he wants to leave that natural, but he wants to edge up the corners to the curve and to the sideburns. So that's what we're going to be doing here. YouTube, there you have it. One of the cleanest shadow fade you probably ever seen. Yes, I said it. Anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below of the cut. Also too, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. That definitely helps my channel grow. And you can also follow me on IG at TC the Barber. Peace.